Goodwill Career Connections is inspiring Albertans to make a difference. Through the employment programs, Goodwill works together with employers, community members, and volunteers to provide Albertans with disabilities the opportunity to enhance their lives through meaningful employment.
I think one of our main goals outside of the missions and the values that we live here at Goodwill is to provide the best possible service and supports to our individuals, really centered on their personal center plan and being the best service provider possible.
In 2018, the Career Connections team celebrated their one-year anniversary at the Career Development Center on Whyte Avenue in Edmonton. This new space has increased team engagement to help enhance the programs.
I think a game changer for the first evolution was bringing everybody together in one location. We had more of an open door policy where it allowed ideas to flow.
And what we found is by bringing them together under that banner, we're able to actually deliver better programs and work much better with the community.
The Path to Employment program supports members in locating employment or volunteer opportunities within their communities. A person-centered plan puts a focus on individual needs and interests in becoming successful employees.
So how we serve their needs is through our what we call the path to employment. So it is a set of stages and processes that we follow. There's an assessment done to see what the skill levels are, and we move them from there into career discovery. And that's a real exciting process because it's a set of tests and workshops that'll help identify the top 3 things they want to do. Then from there we move into what we call opportunity development. So we're doing some job searching. All the same time they're in employment preparation, so they're building up their skills. While that's being prepped, we have people out trying to find and search and carve jobs for them. From that point, it goes into what we call more of a success in the workplace. So we'll have on-site coaches as long as they're needed because our ultimate goal is independence and meaningful employment.
Within our team, within our organization, we have lots of really creative and artistic people. And we see this as a way for them to help express their skills.
Once they achieve that independence, there's so much more they can do. Everything about inclusion and what we try to promote and preach is just not the inclusivity, but then what happens outside. They want to have the same opportunities everybody else has. It just really sets them up for the future.
Through the power of work and career connections, in 2018, Goodwill had 43 participants working and employed within the program. 21 individuals graduated through the program while serving 187 individuals through the Path to Employment and 180 individuals through partners like You Can Ride Too and other various training programs. There are 49 active volunteers in various partner organizations representing 15,000 hours or roughly $203,000 being injected back into the local economy. And finally, 8 team members in the Commercial Services Department reclaimed over 14,000 kilograms of t-shirts and bath towels through the Cleaning Cloths initiative. These numbers will continue to grow as Goodwill at Work and Career Connections are creating a more collaborative approach both internally and through Goodwill's partnerships.
We are on the path to launch 2 new microsocial enterprises before the end of the year. Our furniture refinishing program, and they will be our car wash in partnership with Parkland County.
I think we're continuing to grow through our programs like Goodwill at Work. We're developing some microsocial enterprises. We're continuing with our partnerships like You Can Ride Too and expanding those opportunities. For the Path to Employment itself, we're constantly evolving and continuously improving. And so I see 2019 to be a very exciting future for us. We're taking a more creative collaboration approach. And with that, it just opens the door for positive feedback and reinforcement from throughout the chain. No one position is more important than any other position, and so what that does is open the door from great ideas of how we can improve and be better and be the best service provider possible.
Hi, I'm Mike.
Hi, and I'm Michael.
My role here is receptionist.
And my role is also being a lovely receptionist.
The dynamic tag team of Mike and Michael have been with the Goodwill team for only a couple of months. They both gained meaningful employment at the Goodwill head office through the Career Connections program.
I really wanted to work with Goodwill because I really thought it was a really great organization. I heard really good things about it. and I just wanted to see for myself.
I like to work with Goodwill because they're all about the people, and I like to help people, and it makes me feel good at the end of the day. The challenges make me better at getting more skillful at working, and not to mention outside of work. It allows me to be more dexterous and a lot more focused. So I'm always eager to learn something new here every day.
First off, I just want to say I love how you use the word dexterous. That's awesome. That's awesome. Wow.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
I also like your energetic energy because it gives me energy too, and I appreciate it.
Through Goodwill's Path to Employment and led by their job coaches, these two are focused on skill building while becoming successful at their positions.
I've had the privilege of coaching both Michael and Mike, and being able to see their unique personalities shine through has been the highlight of working with them. I call them the Michael Dream Team.
They have really helped me with all different aspects of my job. And they're not just job coaches, they have become friends.
Being able to see their growth throughout their journey has been astounding. They've really come out of their shells and developed into their own individuals and are very excited about the work that they do.
The big thing for me is really like a family. It's just, we're all here to help each other, we're all Goodwillians, and yeah, they're supportive, they help, and you are never afraid to ask questions.
Goodwill gives you meaning and purpose in that field, and they also have a lot of things to teach you. And everything here is done professionally, and I would totally recommend it to anyone who is struggling to find work.
Mike and Michael really enjoy working with people and understand that their hard work can lead to a bright future. Their camaraderie and success provide a welcoming and inclusive atmosphere to every one of Goodwill's customers, donors, or employees.
I want to make the people who phone here making their day just a little more special, just a little more happier.
It's all about putting a smile on their face so they can keep coming back to Goodwill.
I work at GFI Systems, and I basically do inventory management.
Peter does just a little bit about everything. In the beginning he did very basic work, kind of learned to kind of integrate with the team, and then progressed from there. He went into he's working a lot more with our modems, with more electronics, and we just let him go.
I first connected with Career Connections sometime in 2015, and it was after I graduated from Northwest College's Administrative Professional Certificate Program.
They reached out to us, told us the opportunity. Our CEO is someone that's very active in the community, and not only through, we work with charities and we do a lot of events and things like that, but we always look towards having unique features about who we are and what we do and who we employ.
I like best about working here the fact that I'm busy and I like to use the computer, and something like I'm very good at.
And I mean, he has a unique ability of accountability towards his work, towards the way things need to be done, especially for a company that's more tech-based. We're usually a little bit more ad hoc, and he keeps us kind of in line in terms of the way things are done. He, for example, he built us this whole process documents, tons of them, and it's just been great for us. So. It's very advantageous. It gives the individual the opportunity to learn new skills, and it's amazing what people can do when you give them the opportunity.
I'm good. Yeah, I like it because it keeps me busy.
Let me win.
But if I cannot win,
If I cannot win,
let me be brave.
let me be brave. Any attack.
What do you think of it? What do you think of your bike? What do you think of it?
Loves it. Yeah, he's happy.
You Can Ride Too is a grassroots organization that aims to reduce barriers to cycling for youth with disabilities to ensure that all children can enjoy the freedom and joy of riding a bike.
This Goodwill Industries of Alberta program offers adaptive bicycles to children who require specialized equipment. These bicycles are loaned to participants for one biking season. They are modified, adjusted, and tuned to fit their needs. If it wasn't for this program, these bicycles would be too expensive for most families, and children would miss out on key moments that can be sometimes taken for granted. Wendy Mertz and her son are thankful for this life-changing initiative.
We wouldn't have a bike, so we would be playing in our backyard a lot, and we wouldn't be able to go out as often in the summer.
Many youth have never had a chance to ride a bike or have any degree of control over their own mobility, and all of a sudden that sudden change, and it's like a light turning on.
We provide a really important service for the community. There's a lot of social isolation that comes for youth with disabilities, not only for the youth but for their families as well. And we help break down those isolation barriers by helping kids get out into the community.
It's just giving him lots of independence. He's always, he watches the other kids ride bikes out in the street, and he just loves that he can ride one now too. Especially last summer, I've always wanted to go to Shell and just get an ice cream during the summer, and it was the first summer we could do that, and it was so much fun. So we did that several times last summer.
Founded in 2003, You Can Ride Too joined Goodwill in 2017. Since 2013, a volunteer team of professional mechanics, occupational therapists, and members of the Edmonton bicycle community have helped over 300 children between the ages of 3 and 19 to get an opportunity to borrow a bike. There are currently over 170 adaptive bicycles in a variety of sizes ready to be borrowed at the Goodwill Impact Center and Outlet Store.
So since 2017, we've been connecting with Goodwill Industries of Alberta, and their support has provided this space for us. Some parents even tell me when they wake up it's a lot like Christmas. Whenever they're coming here, they're just like vibrating with excitement on their way here in the car, and then they get here and they try their bike. The smiles are just like unbreakable smiles when they're trying them out and they get to take them home.
The Alberta Reads Network is delighted to be working together with the Goodwill Impact Centre. We now have access to gently used books that we can get into the homes of children and family who may have no access at all to books and reading. Schools certainly have books and public libraries have books, but having books in their home is a critical element. And so in working with the schools, we have a pathway, and so they can select to give the books to children who are likely to not have them in their home. Last time we did a book sorting event, we ended up with 1,000 gently used books to give away to children in need. We had fewer stations, fewer volunteers. It was a test. We didn't know how it was going to work out, and it was wonderfully successful. And so this time we've increased those numbers. The volunteers that are coming get to participate in not just helping get books into the homes of children, but also they're helping Goodwill in their sustainability plans, and they're working as citizens to increase the reduction of waste. I probably should thank Goodwill again, because without them we would never get to a pathway of this many gently used books to give to children.